Welcome to ACE Engineering Academy. Today we have a guest. His name is Arghyadeep Dhar, who has secured AIR-75 in GATE Computer Science and Engineering. Let us welcome him. Hi, Arghyadeep Dhar.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
It is very pleasure to see you again here. So, could you please explore yourself? Like, what is your journey? How did you start GATE preparation?
Okay, sir. Hi, everyone. My name is Arghyadeep Dhar, and it's a very hard to pronounce name, so you can call me AD, anyone, AD, Arghyadeep Dhar. So I completed my BTech in Computer Science Department from a National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, which is also known as VNIT, in the year 2022. After that, I worked in a legal tech startup as a full stack developer. Mainly, I worked in back end also, but front end also I worked. And while working there, we were making AI enabled product. We are heavily using natural language processing, machine learning models, OCR techniques. So I got interested in those domains, but I had no way to work in MLA because I was already working in that in full stack development. But I developed an interest in this in those topics, and that's how I started exploring it. And I realized if I want to get into MLAI, I need to have an MTech degree at least, because doing only bachelor's in computer science don't give you a good head start for MLAI journey. So I started preparation in the year 2024. I was doing my job, and along with that I was also preparing for the exam, but I was not consistent. So I didn't get a good score, 46 marks, I guess, 46, 47, and got 4,000 rank. And next year I decided, no, if I want to get into a really good IIT or IISc, I have to study full time. So I saved my money from my job. It was already work from home. It was a lot of savings. And yeah, I left my job and invested my money in my endeavor, GATE journey. Yeah, now I am here, 75 rank. I'm very happy.
It is really very interesting and inspiring story, Arghyadeep Dhar, because you left that organization and you started preparation.
Yeah.
It's really very interesting.
Yeah.
And in your journey, because it is not easy to prepare by leaving job, I know how hard the days you spent. In your preparation journey, how does that ACE Engineering Academy PYQ course helped you? Because I heard that you enrolled for PYQ course.
Yes, sir. I was enrolled. I think I took 9 months. Yeah, 9 months course, I guess. I took for PYQ. The PYQ recorded lectures. Okay.
Yes.
It was like very structured, and what I needed is topic wise. Okay, topic wise PYQ. So it was topic wise. It was not haphazardly here and there. It was very structured. Especially I can remember DM was really nice. DM, mathematics, DSA, computer networks, and COA. They were like very meticulously curated playlists. Okay, it really helped me because last time I didn't solve PYQ. Not like I think 50 PYQs I solved totally, and with that PYQ series of ACE, I was also I also got a mock test series for free. So the mock test series, it really helped me because I was already enrolled in three other mock tests. Okay, yes. And I wanted to test all the different kinds of questions. Okay, so I was already doing one mock test. It was really very hard. While I understand that it's really important to do the hard questions, but I also realized this fact that I need to solve questions like full length test which really aligns with the trends of GATE exam, right? Like which really, it feels like it's a mock. It doesn't feel like a mock test, like just another GATE exam written by IIT professor. So I came to know about ACE Academy from a friend who lives in Telangana, I guess.
Okay.
So, in Telangana, ACE Academy is a like very big name. So he tells me, ki, bro, you took that PYQ series, it will help you. It costs some money, but it's worth it. And with that, you will get this one also,
Yes.
mock test series. So, sir, it was like really privileged to get guided by the people like you from ACE Academy. It really helped me.
Thank you so much, Arghyadeep. So thank you for your nice comment about
But
the academy and their PYQ questions and all. Actually, most of the students they are frequently asking, like after attending the classroom course,
hmm.
what order they need to prepare? Do they need to start class notes followed by PYQ questions and mock test? What order you prepared?
Sir, my method was kind of different, I'm telling you. Sir, if you see my computer network flow, I can see you right now.
Yeah.
But what I did, uh, I divided the subject in very small subtopics, not even topics, but subtopics. I
Okay.
used to study the topics, and the coaching the coaching institute where I was enrolled, uh, they used to do some like 4 or 5 PYQs, and after that I used to explore your like um, the PYQ series by ACE Academy, because they are very like granular, okay, like divided into uh, small chunks, and I used to solve
Yes.
all the PYQs related to uh, those subtopics, and my note was like theory, PYQ like this. So it
Yes.
really helped me during like revision, because I didn't even make short notes for many subjects, because my note was already like really good. So yeah,
Yeah, because actually most of the students they are unable to understand the pipeline of the preparation.
yes,
Which one we
exactly.
have to
It's
start?
pipeline actually.
Yes, the pipeline is most important, right?
Yeah.
In order to go for smooth journey, right?
Yeah. And after that, sir, first time I did it with the preparation note making. And after that, I did it during first revision. Okay, I did the first revision in from I think August end to September mid. Okay, so
Okay.
20 days full, all the subjects has been revised, and I revised it like mostly with PYQs and theory. You have to study theory, right? You have to
Very
remember.
nice.
And last time I saw, I didn't solve from your PYQ series. I just had the notebook and all the marathon series on YouTube, free YouTube. I did it from there. So I solved 3 times
Very
all the
nice.
subjects as a PYQ. For computer networks, I did it 4 times, because my computer networks it was not a like strong. I didn't have a strong hold on computer networks.
Very nice. So in our discussion, I came to know that you gave high priority for PYQ questions, right?
Exactly.
So even I used to suggest the students focus more on PYQ questions.
Yeah.
I think your words are supporting for this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and one more thing, like while we were preparing, definitely there are some subjects you may get struggle, right? So how did you tackle those subjects?
Okay, like I would like to mention 2 subjects mostly. COA, the notorious
Computer organization,
computer organization, and computer networks.
competitors.
Now, the problem with COA is, I'm telling you, 90% student doesn't studies the COA during their BTech, because those kind of questions will not asked in the uh, interviews, right?
Yes, correct.
So COA is the most neglected subject in computer science in the curriculum, the whole curriculum. But it's the basic of computers. That's how computer works, right?
Yes,
We have
exactly.
to have an abstracted knowledge, like we don't know how diode works and all this kind of stuff, but we have to understand how memory works, how cache works, this and that IO organization. So you know, uh, COA was very hard. I was studying COA for the first time during my preparation, and
Okay.
it's a very large topic. Okay, so what I did, like I really I understood. Firstly, I understood that I have to study it very deeply. Otherwise, I won't be able to answer that question. I answered any question in coming gate. So I did the same thing for COA and notes on that topics. Then PYQ, like all the PYQs on that topic. And that's how it goes on and on. And the more I solve question PYQs, more I gain interest. That's why I tell everyone to solve as much as you can. And I did the same thing with computer networks also, because computer networks is very vast syllabus and
Correct.
you have to remember many things.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, like PYQ is the key, like I believe that.
So I strongly believe that ACE Engineering Academy PYQ course of computer networks and
Yeah, it
computer
helped me.
helped me a lot for
It helped.
taking this, right? Correct?
Yeah. Sir, there's a very good metaphor for studying from PYQ. Like, consider yourself as a ML model.
Yes.
And PYQs are your training data. Okay.
Correct.
Now, there is something called underfitting and overfitting.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
when it is underfitted, like you are not putting effort, you are just solving without any intention. And overfitting means you are mugging up the answers. You don't have to do both of them. You have to extract the knowledge from it. Like you have to you don't have to mug up the answers, you have to mug up the concepts. These concepts have already come, and these few concepts might come later. So you have to solve PYQ very attentively, very meticulously, seriously.
So I used to suggest, like, when student is solving PYQ questions, if he get answer is option A, then I used to ask them, why not B? In order to make it B is answer, what are the changes we have to make in the question? Is it the correct way? Have you done?
Like, I have done these things for MSQs mostly, because you know that everyone is scared of MSQs. Everyone is scared of MSQ. MCQ, you will get it, but MSQs are really MSQ. You should solve MSQs, like a lot of MSQs. Otherwise, you won't be able to answer.
Good. So as I came to know that you started topic-wise preparation rather than subject-wise preparation.
Yeah.
And we are having some subjects like algorithm, data structures, and programming. So they are interrelated topics. In the same OS and computer networks, they are interrelated topics. Sorry, OS and CO, they are interrelated topics, right?
Yes.
There are some subjects which are interrelated.
Yeah.
And you know that GATE question paper have been categorized into 4 categories, like recall-based questions, analytical-based questions, education-based questions, and comprehensive-based questions, right?
Yes.
So as a student, like how much time have you spent on each and every sector? Like recall-based question is simply memory questions, right?
So recall-based question like mostly came from CN. Okay,
Yes.
I can remember 2 questions. CN, matlab, to me the most recall-based subject is CN, I guess.
CN. Okay.
Recall-based the least amount of time. Okay. Like you see them and you understand that you will able to solve it 30 seconds at most, I don't know, maybe. And sir, what are the other topic or other type of question you said?
So there are some questions that application based questions are there.
Like you mean to say the numericals?
Yes.
Yeah, numericals, it depends on the familiarity with the question. Like if I am familiar with a numerical already, hardly it's 60 seconds to 90 minutes. But if I'm not familiar with one, I would mark it, like do it later and come back. The hardest one would take, I don't know, 3 minutes 30 seconds, like that. Not more than that. If I am spending more than that, I just leave the question.
There are some questions where they combining 1 or 2 subjects, right? Like comprehensive based question.
Yes.
Them. So have you studied all subjects, or did you leave any 1 or 2 subjects?
Oh, I have you mean to say syllabus?
Yes. In the while preparation, did you cover all the subjects?
All subjects, all the subjects, every subject.
Then it is easy to answer comprehensive based.
Yeah.
They're combining, right?
Yeah.
So I think actually you are, I came to know that you applied for set 2, right? Set 2 for this.
Yeah, set 2, the notorious
set. You know, set 2 paper is quite difficult when comparing to set 1.
Yeah.
How did you handle the pressure in the exam hall?
Like, I have already, like, I was enrolled for 4. Actually, I gave 3 mock test series, okay, including ACE Academy. I have already given 43 plus, maybe it's near 50, okay, 51 or 52. It might be. I am not able to count all the mock tests. It's okay. So I have already given 50 more full length tests and have analyzed them religiously. And then I have given sectional tests, which is very important. Sectionals are very important. Like sectional test, 110 sectional tests, sum total. Okay. So the thing is, sir, like the world is not that inconsequential. You work hard, you will get something. But yeah, I was very surprised to see the set 2 question, because it was unlike anything I have ever encountered in my life. The kind of gate paper that doesn't really, it's not the most trending grade paper. It was something really different from the historical data. So what I did, my mindset was first solve all the easy questions.
Yes.
Like first, I used to solve question paper in 3 iterations. Okay.
3 times.
First solve all the easy question,
Okay.
and mark the medium and hard level question for the next iteration. It would take, I guess, 70 minutes. After that, you will left with only medium question and hard question. There, they might be considered, they are like 40% of the whole paper, I guess.
Okay.
Medium and hard. Then you will solve medium questions. It will take a little bit more amount of time from the last iteration, might be. And then at last, hard questions. And I was not emotional about any questions. If I'm seeing that it's a question that I'm not able to solve at the current moment, I would just leave it and move ahead. And that's how I was able to solve, I think, 50 questions out of 65, 50 right questions out of 65. And with that, there are 4 very bad silly mistakes. It happened because in the middle of the exam, I got distracted because one invigilator came and told me, bro, you don't look like the person in the photo. And they wasted my 3 minutes of time. So I was distracted. So, yeah. Yes.
So, yeah. Would you like to give some tips for future aspirants, like for 2026 aspirants are there? Would you like to give some tips and tricks?
Exactly. Sir, the tips is I complete the syllabus, the whole syllabus, as soon as you can. For that reason, you might have to attend recorded lectures, and there is no crime in attending recorded lectures. All the institutes have their recorded lecture series along with the live lecture. ACE, I think ACE also has that one. So, yeah. So complete it by September, mid of the September. Okay. Then you have to solve PYQ at least 3 times, and very religiously you have to solve it. You have to understand every question, and whenever you're not understanding something, ask them in the online communities, Telegram groups. Okay. Mock test series, I have given 50 mock tests, and I consider it was like overdoing. Like 20 mock tests from different mock test series is full length mock test series is enough. 20 to 25, not more than that. Okay, you can do that. I used to like solving problems. So I've told you about mock test series. And another thing, I'm mentoring many students right now. They're saying, I have this course and this course and this course, 3-4 courses they are taking. It's first of all wastage of money. You have to take only one course, and you have to believe in it, believe in the teachers. Okay. And there are several ways you can take up a course. Go to their free lectures, you can find them. Don't get distracted with more than one course. Take only one course, and take more than one mock test series. That's enough. And work hard, I guess. Whenever you are feeling depressed, imposter syndrome, listen to music, go on a walk. It will drastically change your mood. It will drastically change your mindset. It's
you.
all about mindset in the end.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience. Actually, it is I believe that instead of collecting information from the multiple sources and wasting
Yeah.
your time, stick to one book and read multiple times. That is a very
Yeah.
good strategy.
Exactly.
Usually, I will instruct the student in the same way. So because nowadays social media is there, lot of distraction. So in conclusion, I believe that
Lot of distraction, distraction, and lot of very sloppy marketing.
exactly. So in the conclusion, I believe that AS Engineering Academy PYQ course and mock test helped you a lot, right?
A lot, a lot.
So, and one more last question, we would like to know what is your future goal?
Sir, I have already worked nearly 2 years in IT sector, corporate. I didn't like corporate at all. I didn't like corporate at all. So I would most probably 95% with 95% surety in academics again. After MTech, I will do a PhD, and I want to do PhD from outside of India. But uh, my bachelor's result is not up to that mark. Like it was only 7.3. Like I would be very happy to it was 8 pointer, but it was 7.3. Let's see what happens. But for now, I will do MTech. I want to go to IISc, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi. This 4 place.
So we wish you all the best. And once again, we heartily congratulate you.
Thank you.
Thanks for attending this session. Thank
If
you.
I ever come to Hyderabad, I will meet you, sir.
Sure, you are most welcome. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.